In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add annotations in Figma. If you've ever needed a clear, lightweight way to explain design decisions or call out exact measurements right on the canvas, this walkthrough is for you. We'll cover two options: Dev Mode annotations, which I recommend if you have access to them, and standard Figma comments for quick feedback. Start by opening your design so you are looking at the frame or screen you want to document. With the file in view, let's begin with Dev Mode annotations. These are available on professional plans and are built to keep specs and notes close to the work. They travel with your file, so anyone who opens the design sees the context right where it matters. Instead of hunting through separate documents, if you are working closely with engineers, these notes are especially helpful for highlighting what's dynamic, what's fixed, and which values must be followed exactly. Toggle Dev Mode or press Shift+D to switch it on. You'll notice the interface shift into a developer focused view. Next, click the annotation icon in the top toolbar, or press Shift+T to activate it. Now click the layer you want to describe. This attaches your note directly to that specific element, which makes it easy for teammates to understand exactly what the note refers to. If you need to call out a specific value from the design, use the plus property option to include properties like color tokens, font sizes, or dimensions from that layer. Pulling in properties helps prevent miscommunication and keeps your documentation consistent with the actual design. As you annotate, keep your notes short, direct, and action-oriented so they're easy to scan. When your canvas starts to feel busy, press Shift+Y to toggle the visibility of all annotations. This lets you quickly switch between a clean design view and a fully documented one without losing anything. If you don't have Dev Mode or you just want fast general feedback, use Figma's built-in comments. Press C on your keyboard or click the comment icon in the toolbar. Then click anywhere on the canvas to drop a comment bubble for feedback. Place it near the area you are referencing so the context is obvious. Comments are great for questions, reminders, or quick review notes that don't need formal specs. That's it. Thanks for watching.